So the another day in Dubai, and today the first thing what we're gonna do, there are a few things that have to be purchased. So I'm going to Mina Bazaar again. Then after we'll be going to Dubai Mall or else like to the Mall of Emirates. So we have few accessories to buy there also. Then after from afternoon we'll be going to Miracle Gardens, followed by Global Village. Global Village, it's so beautiful place, man. You can spend the whole evening over there. So that's it for now. Oh my gosh. That is the thing, amigos. Once I reach there, I'll just show you the Mini Bazaar. It's a very good place to shop and you guys will love it. Just no, they closed the shop and they are leaving. The thing is today it's Friday. So on Fridays from 12 to 2 the shops will be closed. So we don't know that. Actually one of our tour guide they know but they didn't tell us exactly. So that is what the thing. So now we are going to Sharaf DJ or else we'll be going to room back again and we'll be just taking a small nap and we'll be going to Miracle Gardens. Hopefully that will be the plan for now. So amigos, that is a quick update. Please remember this. On Fridays 12 to 2 close for prayer. Respect them. Respect their emotions and respect their God and religion. It's important.
346 minutes later.
So guys, I'm back again. We just had lunch and going to Miracle Gardens now. Had a good nap, relaxed myself. I shot a video for YouTube, some sort of unboxing video and everything is done. And now we're going to Miracle Gardens. So a lot of epic shots in here. So just have a look at the cinematic B-roll. So you'll get to know what this place is all about. Yeah, na తీసుకోవచ్చు. It's worth it, huh? Take it. So yeah, that is a tour about the Miracle Garden. I hope you guys loved it. So this is a place where you can click a lot of pictures, lot of beautiful sceneries, some sort of Disney themes, Emirates Airlines. So it's so beautiful. So when you're coming here, don't forget to bring your camera. If not, at least put your phone in charge. So it's very important. And another thing is, it's so wandering and it's like, yeah, truly miracle because you see, in a desert like this, they have done this. So beautiful, so appreciating too. So after now we'll be moving to Global Village and there it's so beautiful. So he's my roommate actually and he's getting some art done for his kids. Just let me get you close. Let me take you close. Yep. So talented, man. And another new friends.
Hi.
She's the devil actually. So they are recently married and they got this done and he actually did it in like 5 minutes. So talented, man, so talented. So thank you for that. When you come to places like this, you must try this and you must buy that. So it's more memorable. I recommend buying that. So hello guys.
From Hyderabad.
So now we'll be just moving to Global Village. So we are at the Global Village now, and it's all lit with lights. So a lot of photography can be taken here. It's so beautiful. So this place is all about, we have 23 actually, different themes and different cultures, different food in here. So this is a must visit place in Dubai, and let's explore the place now. So we are not allowed to shoot here, so in order to shoot you have to take permission. So yeah, from here you have to enjoy the view, and I won't be speaking anything. I'll be just explaining you. I won't be explaining you anything, just some sort of videos. Enjoy those videos. Sorry. Tajikistan, Syria, Europe. So beautiful place. So beautiful. Whether to go for Cambodia or for Syria. A lot of cities, man. Russia, Japan. We're getting phone.